and welcome to my Austria vlog. I'm Lexi Nardoni if you're new here. And like I said, we are in Austria. We are in Vienna. I got here yesterday. I didn't film my evening because I hung out with my family and it was really fun. And now I'm gonna meet up with one of my titas and we're gonna go to a bunch of different museums. So I might not talk as much, maybe a few talking clips here and there, but I'll make sure to get a lot of cinematic shots. I'm very excited and I don't even know, she said a lot of museums, so we'll see how many we go to. Bjorn. I ate the rest of my dinner from last night for breakfast, and I'm not sure if my tita wants breakfast, but I was like, I gotta eat because I was planning on getting breakfast, and then I woke up late. And by late, I mean 9, which I guess is a little late, but you know, she wanted to meet at 10. I was like, girl, I need some sleep. And then my cousin was like, let's stay up and watch Kardashian. And then of course, I stayed up after. She went to bed early. So I can't blame it on her, because I went to bed at 12, but... Oh, TD, I know I haven't been giving the outfit details, but Princess Polly, Zara, Princess Polly. Docs, usually I have more thrifted items, but I need winter clothes. My aunt let me go to the museums by myself because she's seen all of them, so that's what I've been doing. from bed, but I When was the last time I talked to you? I forget when I talked to you, but I came home after lunch with my tita, and then I just rotted for an hour in bed, and then my cousin Jasmine came home, and we went and got, she said it's called a young wine, but in German it's like, I have to remember, it's like Spritzel, or something like that, and it was really good, so we had that, and I went to the Christmas market, but we didn't buy anything, so tomorrow we're gonna go back. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Tomorrow's gonna be another fun day. I woke up so late this morning. I went to bed at 2 a.m. last night. I don't know. I was drunk when we went to the Christmas markets. And when I got back. I think I filmed a clip. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the Belvedere Museum. I have to walk there, and I'm gonna walk in my heels. So let's get going. It's almost 1. Yeah. Oh, what? I'll give you the money back. Good morning and welcome to Salzburg. I'm running a bit late, but what's new? I have an appointment, not an appointment, I have a reservation at 10:30. It is 10:24, so I'm gonna take some videos of my outfit and rush out of here. Okay, I'm not gonna make it for my reservation, so I'm gonna have, which they're so good, I'm obsessed. And then maybe I'll go to that place for lunch, not sure. I did want to go to a traditional Austrian place for lunch, so We shall see. Do people keep staring at me because I'm wearing a skirt? Yes. Am I that cold? No. I don't know, they're dressing like as if Californians were in 66-degree weather. I literally don't feel that cold and it's sunny out. But, I don't know, my body's weird. On with the tour. I just waited so long to get a photo, and now I'm gonna walk around with the trees. It'll be fun. With the Sound of Music tour after that quick break in the woods. It's in a fucking ball. What the fuck? I forgot to film some of the intros and outros for these videos, so I'm doing it now, but I'm glad you watched my Austria video. I had so much fun there, and I want to go back and see my cousins again so soon, and make sure to like and subscribe down below because Germany is up next, and that part of the trip was literally like a fairy tale. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.